Hi friends, welcome to our channel and you're watching the first video of our word of the day segment. As this is the first week, so all the words that we will learn in this week are from a family. So the word of the day is acrimonious. It's acrimonious. Acrimonious. Let's speak with me. Acrimonious. Acrimonious. The word belongs to an adjective family. The meaning of acrimonious is bitterness or ill feeling, typically of a speech or discussion. Durusht taba, taklifda, talkh, tund, tez are all used to refer the meaning of this word in Urdu. The other words that give the similar meaning of acrimonious are sarcastic, harsh, sharp, and angry. However, the opposite ones are kind, sympathetic, gentle, and tender. The last but not the least, I have two sentences for you to show the usage of the word acrimonious. The first sentence is, to say that I steal is not only false, but it's resentful and acrimonious. The other sentence is, despite the acrimonious relationship I have with my boss, he respects my quality of work. So that's all about our today's word. Do a practice of it, then make your own sentence and share with us in the comments below. You can also respond to this video in our WhatsApp groups or on our FB page whose link has been given in the description. So see you tomorrow with another new word. Have a nice day.